Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to remove text from video in CapCut mobile and PC. To remove a text from video from um, mobile and PC, we're gonna start up with the PC right here. Put that right there. So here, if you're gonna wonder why the video here sucks, because I just made it for this specific video. Now to remove the text from this video, all we need to do is sorry guys, somebody just went in the room. So yeah, all we need to do is copy this one. You can do is Control C, Control V. We can do that because that's the easiest way to do it. Or you can just right click and copy, or you can just choose right here, duplicate. But yeah, this is much for the easiest way. Just Control C and Control V when you're using the PC. Then after that, so what we're gonna do is just crop it. Choose the crop right here. After cropping, crop the area that you want. Let's say this white area right here. Say that white area over there. Look at that white area. If you think it will fit perfectly to the video, let's see. Say that area. There you go. I'm just gonna confirm. Crop that area. So now it is now white. Now we're gonna adjust it right here. There you go, as you see. And we're just gonna adjust it. As you can see, now we're gonna play it. There you go. As you can see, now we're just gonna double it up. Make the other one right there. Just cover that area right there. Then we're gonna play it. Also, caption says still seen. We're gonna add another one. Move it right there. There you go. Let's play it and make sure. Let's see the fox touch it. So we're just gonna put it a little bit down. The video right there. Put it a little bit down. There you go. There you go. Now we're just gonna right click and create compound clip. There you go. So yeah, there you go guys. That's how you remove the text from a video when editing on your PC using CapCut. Now we're gonna move on to our phone. Let's go to our phone. And now we're here at our phone. So here at our phone, as you see, here's the same video that I made for this video, and it's weird. I don't know why. The fox quick blah blah blah. Okay, so now we need to do is press on the video, then find duplicate. What's a duplicate? Duplicate. Then press on the second video. After pressing the second video, find overlay. Overlay. Where's the overlay? Wait. I think it's right somewhere right here. Overlay. Split, effect, delete, enhance, retouch, transformation, move, adjust. There we go, overlay. Oh my gosh, I pressed the wrong one. There we go, overlay. After clicking the overlay, now we have our overlay right here. There you go, as you can see. Annoying. Now, as you can see, it is now placed underneath the so you can see it's placed underneath the video. Now all we need to do is align it. After we align it, we need to find the mask. So we're gonna find the mask. Mask. Where's the mask? There you go, mask, and just tap on the mask. There we go. As you can see, we need to choose a mash shape here. As you see, the text in the video is like a square, so we're gonna choose a rectangle right there, rectangular. So commonly people use the rectangle or maybe the circle, but we're gonna use the rectangle for this video. Now press on that. Now we're just gonna adjust the size. Now let's just adjust the positions of this one. There you go. As you can see, we need to cover this part right here. So we need to just drag it here and check if it fits. Now find a place where you want to copy it. Let's say this part right here, white area. So now we're gonna copy it. Now we're just gonna drag the video above it. There you go. As you can see, now we're gonna play it, and there you go. Yeah, that's how you do it, guys. So yeah, that's how you remove the text from phone and your PC. So now we're gonna try it on a moving image. So as you can see right here, this is my moving image right now. So to do this with the moving image, just say it's a moving image, all we can do is block it. So we can block it with some maybe stickers. We can use stickers like that. Block it. Block the what do you call this? Block the words, or you can do is crop it. Crop it. Just crop the bottom part with the what do you call this? With the CapCut and confirm. Then play. As you can see right now, still looks the same, but the bottom half, I mean the bottom of it, it's gone. As you can see, there you go. So it makes a little difference when you're gonna play the video. As you can see, as we're talking and talking again, more words. There you go. Or you can just hide it with a blur if you want. In effects, you can hide it with a blur if you want, or maybe you can use maybe you can overlay a few stuff, overlay a video, then find a image that looks the same right here, maybe the wall right there, cut that and then just paste it right there. But yeah, you can overlay it, but I suggest if it's like this video I'm having right now, I suggest just crop it like that. There you go, just crop it like that. After cropping it, click on confirm and play. It's the same. There you go. There you go. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below. We'll be happy to answer you. And thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we hope to answer you. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.